Thank you very much. We have a great team behind us. Juventus of Italy, and a friend of mine is the owner of the team. He's a fantastic business person, a young guy, and I think it's got the longest string of ownership of just about any sports franchise, but it does have the record in soccer. It's John Elkman. I think you know John Elkman is a man that has done a fantastic job in the automobile industry, comes from a lineage of winners. And you have Johnny Infantino, as you know, and he's going to have the World Cup here. We have a game tonight. The game is, where is it, over in D.C., the stadium?
Here, yeah, Holyfield.
And it's totally sold out, I hope.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Okay, good. Well, and you have two great American players on this team. And would you just, where are you, my American players?
Right here.
Fantastic, so good luck.
Thank you.
I hope you're going to be the two best players on the field.